Hello and welcome to another video. My name is Harald and today I'm unboxing and reviewing DJI Action 2 camera. The interesting thing about this camera is that it is modular and it allows you to swap out batteries while recording. It is supposed to be a sports action camera similar to a GoPro, however only the camera itself is waterproof. The battery module is not waterproof, so if you want to do any activity that involves the camera getting wet, you will need a case. At the time of recording this video, it retails for around £200. The price depends on the color and accessories you choose. I ended up getting the camera unit plus the front touchscreen module. In addition to the camera, I also got a 128GB Samsung micro SD card. So the first thing that you're gonna see when you open up the box is some instructions showing you that you should download their app and also how you prepare the camera. So as usual, you get some instructions which are kind of useless, no one reads them nowadays anyway. You also get some stickers. As you can see, the camera itself is tiny, so it's the touchscreen module. As usual, you get a bunch of plastics that you have to peel off the camera. This is the camera itself. It has a single button and a touchscreen. Besides that, there is no way to interact with it. It also has the connections at the bottom of it to allow to connect to other modules. So that's pretty much it. And this is the touchscreen module that I bought with the camera. So the way it connects, it snaps together with magnets. It also has those little legs that kind of secure it in place. The touchscreen module also has a single button and a touchscreen, but it doesn't have the camera. So also in the box you get a charging cable. You also get a bunch of accessories allowing you to mount the camera in different ways. So this is just a regular camera mounting accessory. It is also magnetic and it has those little legs that secure the camera in place. This one is more interesting as it is a fully magnetic mount and it allows you to kind of put the camera around your neck and you can just take it everywhere you go when you're walking around. Instead of having those little legs that secure the camera in place, it attaches to these magnetic connectors. So this side of the box is empty. You also get some accessories at the other side of the box. This is just another generic camera mount. The difference between this and the last one is that it screws on to another part, which is the next part that I'm gonna show you. You would use this part as a base and would glue it on somewhere and screw on the other one on top of it, and you get a really stable camera mount. And these are all the accessories that you get in the box. If you want anything additional, you have to buy them. Then I tried to turn the camera on. What I didn't realize that the battery of the camera was dead. Then I attached the other module, which had some power left, and this allowed me to turn the camera on. Attaching the other module feels really weird because you don't really have to do anything. You just kind of put it close together and it snaps together with magnets. When you turn the camera on for the first time, you get shown this screen with a barcode, and when you scan it you're supposed to be able to download their app. However, the barcode was so tiny that I wasn't able to actually download their app. I just found it on App Store by myself instead of using the barcode. The first thing that I noticed was that the camera was on 1080p and I wanted to change it to 4K. That was relatively easy to do, so I changed it and tried to record. When trying to record a video, I was shown this error that said the temperature was too low and it wouldn't let me record anything. However, it would still allow me to take pictures and time lapses. So I gave up on trying to record the video and inserted the micro SD card into the camera. Then I tried to record a video a couple more times but kept getting the same error. This error just didn't make any sense to me, as the camera was in the house for a couple of days before I opened it. So there was no way that it could be code. After some googling, I figured out that this was a common issue with this particular camera. The problem was not that the temperature was too low, but that the main camera module didn't have any battery. The other problem was that when you plug it in to charge, it wouldn't charge the actual main camera module, it would just charge the additional touchscreen module. So what I had to do was to do a factory reset and then charge it. After doing this, it seems like all of the problems with the camera went away. The next morning, I took the camera with me on a drive just to film something and see how it looks. The mistake that I did was not turning the stabilization on. The following is the footage from that drive. It is early in the morning, about 6 AM, so it's still dark outside, and the footage is very shaky. But I was still surprised by the quality of the camera. Considering how dark it was at the time of recording, the footage is still surprisingly good.
up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh, baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're
This is some footage at daytime with the stabilization on.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain.
Overall, I think it's a nice little camera for the money.
Baby, you give me midnight hour. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and
Thanks for
dry.
watching and see you again in the next one.
Oh,